Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ad script using AI. So go to CapCut.com/myedit to open up this home page. If you're not there yet, and if you're still in home, on the home page, you're just going to select, you're just going to select the create new edit, and then it will bring you to this home page. Select the ad script here, and here is where you can tell the script about your project. Like this one, what is your product? For instance, lip gloss. Describe the selling points of your product. Smells good. Colorful. Vibrant. Glittery. Cheap. Or something like that. I don't know. Then you're just going to select generate, and it's going to basically create an ad script for you. Like this. This is awesome, okay? Tired of searching for the perfect lipstick that doesn't leave your lips feeling dry? I found this amazing lip gloss that has all the colors you could ever want, plus a variety of scents to fit every taste. Not only does it look stunning, but it's also really comfortable and doesn't budge all day. Buy one now at such an adorable price, it'll be your new favorite makeup item. They'll give you a lot of scripts, actually. They'll give you 5 scripts, which I think is so cool. Here you can select the script that you want, like this one. Use this script, and here you can add a media for each part. I'm just going to upload a Taylor Swift picture for this because this is just an example. So, oops. Oh, it has to be a video. So select the video that you want and then just edit the video later, but that's pretty much it. You can add in the video there. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!